Hello everyone, let's solve this fractions word problem using bar models. So let's read the problem. The problem says that David's water bottle is 7/12 filled with water. So what is the meaning of 7/12 filled with water? It means if we divide the bottle into 12 equal parts, thus only 7 parts are filled. So let's show how it will be. Rectangle represents the water bottle. Let's cut it into 12 equal parts. We have divided it into 12 equal parts. Now we can see that 7 parts are filled. So let's shade 7 parts. So the bottle is this much filled. When David drank 270 ml of water. So after David drank 750 ml of water from the bottle, it became 1/3 full. So let's see what is 1/3 of 12. 1/3 of 12 is 4 parts. So that means because only 4 parts were left, after he drank 270, we can shade 4 parts because 1/3 is left. So that means 3 parts are equal to 270 ml. So, and we have to figure out the capacity of David's water bottle. So, let's do the calculations. 270 ml. 3 parts are same as 270 ml. So, 1 part will be same as 270 divided by 3, that is 90 ml. So, what will be 12 parts equal to? 12 into 90, that is 1080 ml. So, the capacity of the water bottle is 1080 ml. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.